Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Affinity Legends of Wall Street Trading Room and another happy Friday. So guys, Nike gapping up on good earnings. So Nike, possible gap up. NKE, possible fade. Now guys, I do think Nike will check mark. Okay? So what that means is that we gap up, we fade a bit. At some point, we turn around and go back up to the highs. That looks like a check mark. But right now, for me anyway, I would look at Nike as a possible fade. Okay? So right now, it is fading as we speak. The key number on Nike is going to be 122. It's at 123.50 right now. FINL. Okay, FINL. Okay, FINL, gapping down. So this is a gap and go. Gap and go down. It's at 22.41. Okay, which means it's gapping below that support level. Okay, 22.41 is below the support. 22.50 was support. Okay, so more than likely this is just going to expand and expand and expand and go down. Okay, so we got one good long and we got one good short. As for the markets are gapping up. Okay, but they're gapping up into overhead resistance. So yesterday was a pretty good rejection bar. Today we're gapping up into 104.37. 104.87 rather. You just gotta see this. Okay, so 104.87. Okay, so we're probably 104.50, 104.87. If we do get a move up, it'll be up into that resistance, which will run into some residual. That'll be some residual buying, and then we should fade. My bet would be that we gap up into resistance and fade. So the market itself is a fade today. Okay, so market itself is a fade today. QQQ. Okay, so what do we look to do if we would, that would be a short. Okay, short the 5-minute low. Okay, and then the VIX would be potentially your buy. Now, guys, if you're going to look to go long anything, gapping up massively today is Facebook. Okay? I think Facebook's got its eye on 99. Okay, and if the market does go up, this is the stock that you're going to want to be in. It's got clear air all the way up, showing massive relative strength on Facebook. The other one that's showing relative strength is Tesla. Okay, which I'm not a big fan of personally, but Tesla also gapping up, showing a lot of relative strength. Okay, meaning that Tesla has its eye on 180. 180 for Tesla. 280, I'm sorry, rather. Another stock that I like is a friend of mine likes it, and thus I like it. I think Starbucks has a great daily chart. It's breaking into the it's breaking above the high that was established, I guess, post split on Starbucks. So this is a little bit more of a swing play. I'm I'm going to say it's, I'm just going to say longer term, SBUX, longer term. But it's also a day trade. Let's watch Starbucks for day trades. And these are good longs, relative strength as well. Oh yeah, BB. The other one that had earnings was Bed Bath & Beyond. Frank the Tank likes Bed Bath & Beyond. Another one. So Bed Bath & Beyond is it's gapping down. I'm not sure what to make of this from a gap perspective, so I'm just going to say day trade watch, or just say day trade watch Bed Bath & Beyond, and day trade watch, day trade watch. The last one that I like, and I'm doing this one because my buddy John Lancey likes it, and if John Lancey likes it, we all have to like it. That's how Lancey rolls. Hess. If Hess breaks above 50.40, Hess is a buy above 50.40. All right, folks, get ready for your trading day. All right, guys, market's about to open. As you and I well know, oh my God, Mike guys, please don't put those. It's a funny comment, but let's not put it in the room. Guys, Hess already going. Already triggering on Hess. Let's see Nike, NKE. I'm watching Nike close. I'm going to put it on the 3-minute high-low chart. I'm going to watch Finish Line next. More than likely, Nike's a good short. Early short on Nike. If you want to take it. Stop would be above 123.50. Okay, early short here on Nike. Stop above 123.50. I'm going to wait for the 5-minute high break. This is just an early get in early entry. FINL, 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 early short. FINL breaking the 3-minute low. Try to short at the moving average if you can get a better price. Otherwise, FINL is also an early short. Okay, FINL going already, guys. FINL going. I'm covering half, guys. Okay, guys, I got covered on half. Okay, BBRY, guys. BBRY. I don't really like BBRY, guys, for the short, so I'm going to skip that one. NKE. Watching NKE for the secondary short op. I'm going to probably cancel that one. No, it's okay. It's still okay. Watch for the 5-minute low break on NKE. You got to wait for the 5-minute low break. FINL was the best one. I'm covering that one in its entirety. Beautiful move on FINL. You never know which one of these are gonna hit and how they're gonna hit. I think this one might have another leg in it. That's why I'm still watching FINL. Could be a 1, 2, 3 continuation down. Usually selling begets more selling. All right. Nice. All right. I'm still in this FINL. Hopefully it breaks through the whole number. Otherwise, I'm just gonna, if it goes back up, I'm gonna cover. And then I'm done with this one. I'm just watching this 1-minute chart. Now I'm going to go over to Nike because I think Nike had more residual buying than I expected. Okay, guys, I'm watching Nike for residual buying. If that fails, then this should roll over and fall hard. Okay, there goes Nike, guys. Failed to make a higher high. Try again on Nike. Stop needs to be above the prior high from the first rally. Now, Phyllis, this would have been a smart one to move 50 shares on because of the price. I want you guys to use your brains in terms of sizing your positions. When a stock is $10, you don't really have to do 50 shares, right? When the stock's $123, might be a good idea to do 50 shares. Okay, watch Nike. If it breaks the 5-minute low, kaboom. This thing will drop like a rock. There it goes. There goes the Nike, guys. Breaking the 5-minute low, kaboom. Come on. If you're already up, you can take some profit, guys. I'm already up nicely. Okay, I've taken some profit. I'm going to run the back half here. Kaboom. Come on, Nike. Break, 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 break. It's trying to hold at this level. Come on, 80 cents. Break. Okay, guys, I think this is where we're going to break. Possible 1, 2, 3 continuation down. If we do not break, I will cover and take whatever profit I can get. We are holding right here at the pre-market low. Okay, I am going to try again here. If it hooks back down, but it hasn't done that yet. All right, guys, I might get tired of waiting for this one. High, failure to make a new high. Okay, guys, I am short a little bit of Nike. I will add if it breaks below the 5-minute low. Now I'm just playing the 5-minute low break. I'm not playing anything but. All right, I'm going to kill it because this should drop. If it puts in a low and then a higher low, I'm out. Let's see if it drops. Otherwise, I cover and I'm out. This is called bar by bar analysis. I'm watching each bar. Okay, I'm out. I got out. It may still work, but yep, it probably will still work. Yeah, it'll probably still work. Because I got out, it'll probably work. Because the next bar will be a big green bar that'll rip up to here. It's having too much trouble going down. So my bet would be that this might be the start of the checkmark long, but I don't have any indication yet. Oh, maybe not. I can always re-enter. There we go. Come on. It's got to get like a real big stick with volume in order for this to work. '98, 90, was it 04? It went from 98 to 04 in 2 seconds. All right, I'm just going to watch it here for a second. I want to look at the market, see what the market's doing. Market faded, guys. I probably would have been better off fading the market than one of the strongest stocks in the market. We gapped up into some resistance. Probably a good short here. Let's see. FINL. All right, guys. FINL. Let's keep an eye on this one. It might make another leg down. First 3 minutes were beautiful. This could be a bear flag on FINL. See FN, FL. Nope, don't see anything there. Foot Locker, another one. NKE. Guys, NKE is a descending triangle, so I'm just going to sit here and watch it. Yep, Facebook is fading. Thank you, John, for the fade on Hess. Gap up fade. Let's see, NKE. Whichever way NKE goes, I'm thinking it's going to be a long now because it failed to go down, so it should go up. Just watching for resolution on NKE. Thank you, John, for the Hess update and your participation. Watching NKE for a long now. Low, failure to make a new low, should make a higher high. Okay, this would be a 1 minute, a 1, 2, 3 continuation entry. Stop would be below 122.69 would be the stop on that. On the 5 minute we just triggered. I don't think we have any obstruction on the upside. I'm going to go look at Starbucks in about 2 seconds, but would really need it to get above that prior high from the morning opening rip for it to really be confirmed, meaning you'd have to get above. The target on this one would be 124.80, so you got about $1.80 on this. And there it goes, guys. I'm in, but with only small size. Doesn't matter. All right, I'm selling some here, guys. Only because that's ridiculous, that move. That move is ridiculous, so sell. Sold half, guys. I sold half on that spike. I'm going to put my stop past my entry in case this continues to trend. $123.34 was my entry. So my stop will be at 123 spot 34. 35. That way I can't lose. Now I have a riskless trade. Bought it, sold half, stop past my entry, riskless trade. All right. Erwin, I would just sell it if I were you because you're down on the day. You want to book some profit. There you go. Good man, Erwin. Wait for a pullback and then watch for again. Guys, Facebook. Facebook faded. Came into the lows. Watch for a higher low, and maybe we take Facebook. I want to look at Starbucks, SBUX. Nice fade on Starbucks, guys. That's a novice gap. Zoom in, zoom in. Novice gap example, right, from our class the other day, which is on our YouTube channel. Everybody, I need your help. I need your help. YouTube. I want everybody to subscribe to the Affinity YouTube channel. Okay, guys, watch Starbucks. Low, higher, low. Possible buy on Starbucks. This is the gap fade. It gap faded and filled. It's the Affinity Trading Group YouTube channel, guys. You've been doing some great work there, guys. Watch Starbucks. Starbucks. If it breaks above that high right here, guys, if it breaks below this low, it becomes a gap and crap. If it breaks above this high, it starts to be a check mark. Starbucks is at a pivotal point. Okay, guys, NKE. I'm going to be selling some more here. Well, no, I'm going to wait to my target. My target's a little higher. It's at 80, 124.80. Number 11. J-Nug, Gilmore, take your money and run. The J-Nug trader. Guys, I think Disney might be a good long 1, 2, 3 continuation. It faded the gap. Now it looks like a check mark to the upside on Disney. Just keep an eye on it. NKE, not at my target yet. Getting closer. All right, guys. NKE almost at my target. All right. It's close enough, I guess, because I didn't get out. It just dropped like a rock as soon as I said almost at my target. Whoa. Man, that was a big steep drop, right? That doesn't happen except when I'm in it. Guys, I should have put my order out at 124.80. Oh, no, it was 124.60 is what it got up to. I'm going to put it up at 124.80 in case it spikes up there. $79. Selling at $79. 124 spot, 79, baby. Let's see if it gets up there. I'm sitting back with my hands off the computer in case it gets up there. I think it should go. It looks like a bull flag. I could see, like in my mind's eye, I could see it making another big green stick up. Come on, green stick up. Green stick up. By the way, Erwin, if you had 200 shares on this one, you could have run it the back half. But I think that getting out where you did was the smart thing to do. Come on, green stick up. Come on, green stick up. 1, 2, 3, continuation. My order's waiting for you. 10 more cents, for God's sakes. 10 more cents. Will it fail? Probably. Why? Because I'm in it. Come on. A little bit further. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on. My shares if you just go 4 more cents, for God's sakes. Spike. Spike, you guys want this. This is a great shoe company. 2 more cents. 2 more cents, for God's sake. I sold it. Yes, I'm out. Great. I did. I'm out. And it, of course, now has gone past 879 all the way up to 82. How was that, guys? For a great possible gap fade, okay? And I know, guys, I know it hurts if you tried to short the gap fade and you didn't take the long, but you can't take, it's either all and small or some and none. Starbucks, great short. Failed to go higher. Now it's turning into a gap and crap play. Oh, great trade, Rick. Great trade on the FINL. Right? And look, I mean, I know you didn't catch, you got stopped on the Nike, but the FINL more than made up for it. Starbucks triggering to the downside, gap and crap. See that, guys? That's a perfect example of a gap fade filled in gap and crap. Starbucks. We still got a lot of weight. Guys, believe it or not, on Starbucks, this gap and crap. The stop. Irwin, you should put your stop on the play so the play actually has a real viability. The first target on the gap and crap is 57.85. 57.85. Okay? Or you could put it out at 58 and 2 cents. Okay? Stop should be at 58.62. 58.62, and $58 is the target. Because the initial short should have been around at 58.47, but I didn't see it until it was already down here. I don't even want to look at Nike because I know it went a lot higher. See that? I was all stressed out about it. Guys, this would be where you could short it. Okay? But if it doesn't go down, okay, this is a horrible place. You definitely have to stop out above the high. This is the place for the short. You see that? That's called a blow off top. Irwin, you should put in your range order. Practice makes perfect. Gilmore, Happy Gilmore. If I were you, I would take the money and run for the day. Guys, JBL. I have no idea what's going on in JBL, but it looks big. Looks like it's just running higher. JBL might be getting ready, done. Let me just see, Erwin. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, Starbucks, guys. Secondary entry on Starbucks. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Michael DeGioia. from the Affinity Trading Institute. I'm going to go over the stop numbers. And what I'd like to talk to you today about
Starbucks stop number 1, 58.62. Target
and fading gaps
is going to be $58 even or
$57.93. Fading gaps. This is the Affinity Gap Trading class.
I think the next leg needs to break this moving average.
Trading Institute.
An earlier stop would be, if you're shorting it here, you'd put your stop at 58.42. Okay, guys, I'm shorting here. I'm going to short some more. No. Well, yeah, I will. I don't know. I'm on the fence about shorting more. I basically have like a 1-to-1 risk reward on this because my stop's at 42. I also have some shares from up here. Questioning what I want to do. You want to put it, you could put it 57.95 and 58. That's fine. It's just a little bit above the technicals. Good. Guys, I'll be right back. Give me a second. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Michael DeGioia.
Hello, and thank you for joining me today.
Guys, I left. I come back. My Starbucks isn't working. I'm going to short more, though. That way, if it doesn't work, it works worse. Okay, I'm going to short more here. Short. And now on this one, I'm going to put in my slightly larger range. Excuse me. Somebody's... Guys, I've solved at least one big problem for the day. Now I'm green. Yay! This is a better short area, guys. My stops are still in place. I still think this is a good trade. I got another one. PIR. PIR. Oh, PIR, guys. Good short. PIR. This one you could short 1,000 because it's only $7. Or you could short like 500. The stop on this is very small. It's like 5 cents. It's got to go through 710 is the key. Yep. Rejection. Very fast moving stock, I'll tell you. Took my 5-cent stop like you would not believe. Wow, that was a quick 25 bucks. Lost. Be very careful, guys, with your range orders because I just screwed something up pretty royally. But it was user error.
Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Michael DeGioia. I'm the founder of the Affinity Trading Institute.
It wasn't a big deal.
I just wanted to start out today by telling you a little bit about what the Affinity Trading Institute is all about. I started the Affinity Trading Institute in 2009 to teach regular people professional trading techniques and to become a one-stop solution for all regular individuals who wanted to learn how to trade professionally a one-stop solution for all of
Make
their
sure you
trading
check all your
needs.
prices twice.
We do a couple of different things. First off, we bonify real trading tactics that work in the current market. Then we teach
Put the decimals in the right
individuals how
place.
to execute those professional trading techniques in our various different educational offerings, whether that's stocks, options, or any other asset class that might be
PIR is working.
tradable through technical or quantitative analysis.
Okay.
So let's talk a little bit about what
added on
Affinity
it.
Trading
The other
Institute
thing
does.
I
We
did
offer
is I
a whole
stopped
host
out. I
of
put it
different
too tight.
services. One of our
stopped
flagship
out
services
immediately.
is the Affinity Online Trading Room, and I invite you to take a free trial to the Affinity Online Trading Room. The Affinity Online Trading Room focuses on gap trading and technical day trading.
Because I didn't put the range order on right. Starbucks is starting to work, guys. Good thing I added. My PIR on my stop price is at 721 on my range order. 7.21 is my high price. My low price is 702. Cover. There you go. Now I get it right. Good. Guys, this is around the time when Facebook reverses. So if you have Facebook, you might want to add to it. It's come into the prior day's high. What was resistance will now probably be support. So Facebook is probably, it's got to trigger up still. It hasn't triggered up yet. Phyllis, you and I need to talk. I don't like the way you're trading. Your size is wrong. You're not sizing your positions correctly. There is an element of desperation in your sizing of your positions. And non-consideration of the value of the stock. The dollar amount or the value of the stock needs to be considered. There's Facebook, guys. Anybody who took the Facebook. Oh, guys, everything's working. Starbucks is working. PIR is working. Facebook, let me see that. That's working. All right, guys, I'm going to be the PIR. I'm going to cover some probably very soon. Not working that well. It's got to start working now. I think it's going to break. If it breaks below 10, PIR can get really good for us. It's right here at 10 again. If it breaks 10, it goes right to 7. Here we go. Yay! Yay! Covering PIR. Woohoo! Come on, PIR. Okay, guys, I made back all the money that I lost on my first screw up. Oh, I ran out of shares. Shit. Oh.
Look at PIR go, and I ran out of shares. I don't know how I ran out of shares. I didn't have that many orders out. Still a good trade. Whee! Guys, look at PRR go. $0.98. Cover as she goes. How many people took PIR? Nobody. Because you would have made money like me if you took PIR. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Michael DeJoy. Guys, this might be a re-entry on this Pier 1. Watch Pier 1. Guys, I'm up in Starbucks. I was up in Facebook a minute ago, but I think I missed my out. It did go up, and then it went right down. I think Facebook's still good, guys. I'm going to get out of these two trades, and then I'm done for the day. Pier 1 made my day. Yay, Pier 1, hooray! PIR. I think Pier 1 has another trade in it. If anybody didn't take the first move, there's probably going to be a measured move down on Pier 1. I tried to short it at 02702. Facebook. The Facebook. Come on, Facebook. Guys, if we break above this high on Facebook, we're ripping. PIR. Guys, look at PIR. It's going to roll. Roll, PIR! Guys, PIR back to $7. If it breaks $7, it's going down. I'm not in it because I missed it and I'm cheap. That's my nature. But guys, I made $20 betting Onofrio or something. Yeah. Onofrio, you want to play 3-card Monty?
I don't know how to play that.
I'll teach you. Only betting real money.
You know, teach me how. I won't put up anything.
Oh, God, somebody's got to teach Onofrio these lessons. Guys, Hess looks good. Hess. John Lancey. Hess looks good, long. Long Hess. See, I like Hess because it bottomed out, put in a low, and then a higher low. Guys, if you take $10,000 worth of Hess, okay, if you're buying it at 50.35 with a stop, okay, below 49. $49, the low of the day, you got to do it. Target should be at 50.69. Use range order. Okay? And then the add is if it gets close to the low of the day, you take another 100 shares, same stop and target. What I think will happen on Hess is that as the day goes on, it'll slowly creep up. And then if it breaks out above the high, if you buy 200 shares, if you get 100 shares here, stop below the low of the day, you add another 100 shares at some point, then you put the stop beyond the high of the day. Now you got a winner. And it's a slow moving stock. Ah, Facebook not working yet. I can't stand Facebook sometimes. I'm going to buy 100 shares of Facebook. This will be my last trade on Facebook. Oh, Starbucks is going back down. SBUX. I think this is a good spot for Facebook as well. Guys, this is a great load the boat spot on Starbucks. It's a bear flag. I think that if Starbucks careens, it goes right down to the low of the day. Don't take 500 shares, though. That's silly. That's $25,000 worth. I want you to think of shares in dollars. Yeah, forget Starbucks. I'm not touching Starbucks. I'm leaving my stops in place. Problem is, Facebook and Starbucks look almost exactly the same. What's good about it is that it's a market neutral position. All right, guys, I just sold my Facebook. I think there's something wrong with LAMP. I made $2 on Facebook, great. Guys, if Starbucks does not go down here, I will be canceling and closing that position as well. Okay, guys, if Starbucks goes up much higher, I'm just killing it. I'll take my $22 loss. This is usually what would happen. This will be a double top, and then it'll reject and go straight down. But if it doesn't do that, I'm done. Starbucks, actually Facebook looks good now. This is what I wanted. I think I might take this to Facebook again. That looks like a great 5-minute chart. Guys, Facebook looks really good for a long. I don't like the 1 minute, but I love the 5-minute. Making money on Facebook. Not much money. Guys, Starbucks did what I said it would do, which was spike up and then reject. I'm going to sell some of the Facebook. I just want you to see the Starbucks because it did reject down. So I shorted a little bit more instead of closing out the position. This will be my wherever this goes, I'm going to put my stop on it and then leave it. Yeah, Starbucks is bouncing again. Guys, Facebook has such a good chart. That 5-minute chart is so beautiful. This will officially be my last trade of the day that I've said 87 times. All right, guys, I'm taking some profit here on the Facebook. I'm going to run the back half. Okay, I sold half. I'm going to put my stop past my entry. My entry is decent. It's only 10 cents away. It's 21 cents. Starbucks, I'm going to kill that, I think. It's not doing what I would have liked it to do. I'm going to put my stop on Facebook at 95.16. 95.15. I'm going to give it a little bit of risk. Give it 5 cents worth of risk since I made profit on the first half. My target on Facebook is going to be 95.49. Oh, 95.49. See, guys, Starbucks not doing what it's supposed to. I'm going to give it a demerit. I'm just going to leave my range order in place, which is a stop out of 62 cents, 58.62. Starbucks was a great long trade when it rejected that move down right there. That was a great long. Didn't have a lot of a lot of movement to it, but guys, look at the PIR. It's still good. Slow, still good. Starbucks rejecting the high. Facebook starting to go again. Am I going to get stopped out here? It looks that way. Facebook going, guys. Look at Facebook go. Look at Facebook go, guys. Great re-entry on Facebook. Facebook blasts off here. I love the chart on Facebook. It's beautiful. Okay, I got stopped on the Starbucks. Done. Gonzo. I'm a little annoyed because the Facebook is probably just going to punch out of Facebook now too. Okay, come on, Facebook. I don't know what this fucking thing is doing. I screwed up. I had the wrong symbol on the level 2. It was just user error. It was me error. And I missed my out. I think we're going to get one more rally. Oh, shit. We had one losing trade of the day, Starbucks. One Nike trade was a loser too. Small loser. Guys, Hess working. Great. Nice low risk trade on Hess. Look at Hess. Okay, guys, it put in a low, then a higher low. Slow is molasses, but sometimes slow, boring trades are good trades. Okay, guys, Facebook getting ready to go. I'm sitting here watching it. As long as it's making bigger bars, I'm going to stick with this one. See, guys, Nike was even a good re-entry right there on the 5-minute. Guys, I like Hess too. The Hess trade is great. Phyllis, if you want to take profit on your Hess before you lose any of it, you could just take profit on the Hess and then try it again once it pulled back. Now that's because you're down on the day. You want to chip your day back. Okay? Now all you got to do is hit sell. There you go. Now you made, at least you feel good. You made one winning trade. Let's take a look at Facebook. Hold on. Okay, so Phyllis, the marching orders on Facebook is as follows. Okay, I sold my Facebook because I'm done now. Really done. I really swear I'm done. I made my money for the day. I'm done. Okay, so Facebook, okay, is a great chart. I would prefer to buy it near the moving averages. So if it comes into those moving averages, I would buy Facebook. So if it comes in and hooks up, that's where the buy is on Facebook. If you took 50 shares, there's not much good risk reward ratio. I got you. That makes sense. Erwin, you're in Facebook, so just stick with it. That was a good trigger on Facebook, 1 minute. Came into the moving averages. Now, any pullback, Phyllis, you could buy 100 shares of this if you wanted. That would be a $10,000 trade. You do 50 shares, that would allow you to buy another, amount. You could buy another 50 at some point. I think that on this one, you're probably fine with just buying 100 with a stop. If you bought 100 at like 95.25, that'd be 25-cent risk, which is fine, but now it's kind of going up already, so just giving you the concept. All right. Oh. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Yeah, JBL new highs, right? Erwin, load the boat on Facebook. I think Facebook's going higher, babe. You got a little more risk tolerance than Phyllis. Load the boat on this. This stock is going up. I still think Starbucks is a good short. I just don't think it's a good short yet. Take some profit, Erwin. 200 shares, baby. Take 200 off. Good job. Take 100. There you go. You're now green on the day, Erwin. All right, guys. Bye, everybody.